Hi guys! Today's a really cool DIY. I'm actually very, very excited about this. We are going to be making like a detox underarm paste. And I know you're like, what?
What?
Why
That's what I said when I got the email.
Why should I do this DIY? So I'm going to tell you why you should. Because honestly, we've tried a million natural deodorants and they just don't work. And the reason you try natural deodorants is because you're like, oh, I don't want to put toxins
in my body. Because there's so much crap in deodorant.
There really is, in antiperspirants. And we've tried every type of natural deodorant and they just don't work. So I went back to using normal deodorants. But this little paste we're going to be making today is kind of like a detox for your underarm, because you do put a lot of aluminum and a lot of like parabens and toxins in your underarms, and it's going to help detox it all. Which is awesome.
But before that, let's get to the giveaway. This one is a really good one, you guys.
It's so good that I was like, yo girl, can I get that?
She really did. Before the video, she's like, hey.
I was like, that's like really expensive and nice.
She's like, can I take it?
Can I have it?
We're going to give it away. It's the Paracone.
Joke's on you, I'm going to leave a comment so I win.
It's the Paracone MD Preempt Series, the Fixer Solid Oil. So this costs $40.
Yeah, it's nice.
And if you guys follow us on Instagram, ModaMob Official, we've actually posted a bunch of their products, Paracone MD, because it's freaking awesome.
I'm wearing their foundation right now. I love it.
I've used their stuff like here and there, but now I've been like really using it, and I've been finding more and more products I really like. Really solid product. So you have a chance to win. We'll tell you how at the end of the video.
Okay, ready to make a DIY?
Let's get to it.
So this is going to require 2 ingredients, some bentonite clay, and I feel like we've used bentonite clay in multiple DIYs before. Hopefully you guys have it. If you don't, you can get it on Amazon. One note though, when you are working with bentonite clay, always use a plastic or wooden spoon. Don't use metal because it deactivates all of the active ingredients. And then we're going to be using some apple cider vinegar. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and we're going to make a little paste, and Nora's going to apply it to my armpits.
Open up!
Alright, ready? Let's do it.
So 1 tablespoon?
So 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to do a big piece of that. And then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of
apple cider vinegar.
Yeah. And then we're just going to mix it up until it becomes a paste.
So like the whole thing with deodorant is the antiperspirant. Basically, antiperspirant is the reason you don't smell and sweat, but that's the stuff that has the really bad things in there, like the aluminums and all parabens and all of that.
It has a lot of aluminum salts, which temporarily blocks your sweat glands. That's why it prevents you from sweating. And there's a lot of parabens, which really does interfere with like hormone production. So that's why, you know, there's like a million articles about how it's linked to breast cancer, and there's like so much stuff out there. So but then doing a little detox doesn't always hurt. Doesn't necessarily hurt.
But then there's the all natural ones, and the reason that they're all natural is they don't have the antiperspirant in there. But it's really the antiperspirant that's blocking you from sweating.
Yeah.
Anya and I have done a video of all natural deodorants, and literally
we tried, I think, 7 or 8 of them.
Yeah, we found maybe one that our body got used to, but it was still like after 3 hours, people like were walking away from us.
Like you have to basically carry it around with you at all times.
Exactly.
Okay, so our little paste is ready, and I would recommend just putting on an old tank top for this. And you're going to apply it to your underarms, and Nora's going to do it because besties. And you leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. It can sting just a tiny bit while it's kind of like doing its detox properties.
This is really cool.
Right?
I've like never seen this before.
So if you're sensitive to products or to things stinging, leave it on for 5 minutes.
OMG. This is like bestie goals right now, guys.
Right? And make sure you obviously wipe off your deodorant and antiperspirant before you do this. Feels kind of nice. It's cold.
Cooling.
Yeah.
Hold on. I feel like we need an Insta story for this.
Sit back and relax for 5 minutes. You're really gonna Insta story me?
Yeah. Hey, honey.
Oh, hey, I'm just chilling here with some clay on my underarms. No big deal.
What could she be making or doing right now? What?
Detox.
How do you feel?
It's not a smelly thing.
I know.
It's a detox thing. Like I mentioned, it does get a little stinky, so hang in there. The 5 minutes.
How often do you have to do this?
You can do this, like, I would say maybe once a month.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't obviously overkill it. But it is a nice detox to do, and it's only 5 minutes of your time.
Yeah. All right, now for the giveaway, guys. The awesome giveaway that Ani's going to try to win, but don't worry, I won't give it to her, okay? The Fixer Solid Oil. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel. If you're new here, it's the only way you're going to win. And then like and comment on the video. Give us suggestions for upcoming DIYs. Our DIYs come from you guys, so let us know what you want to see, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.